Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So we are out on the Blue Ridge Parkway in the Great Smoky Mountains. Look at that, ain't that pretty? It's kind of smoky across there for sure, so you can't really see way over it is, but I can see some mountains way back there, some big ones. It's a long ways across there. A little breezy today, but the temperature's about 70 degrees. It's nice. We got cricket in the back. If you've been following this video series, the Goldwing adventure, we appreciate it. So we're actually going north on the parkway. We tried south on the parkway yesterday, and man, we didn't have much luck at all that direction. Too many road closures. We didn't get to go very far at all. So today we're hoping we can go further this way.
Fancy Gap, a cabin and campgrounds.
Ranger
Oh,
station.
look at the little cabins.
Neat little cabins.
They got a motel right there.
Didn't look like anybody was there. I looked on their deal and it shows, my goodness, a lot of places are closed up through here, all that stuff.
Well, probably because nobody wants to camp where there ain't no electric and water and everything. Most people don't. Most people want it to where they have electric and water. The only reason why we do this time is because we're using the electric fridge and stuff, and we have to do our videos. So we have to have electric and Wi-Fi and everything to have some service to be able to get everything done, to have videos for you guys. Otherwise, it would take us forever to get somewhere to finally upload everything, and you guys would be waiting a little longer.
And a lot of places we've been going to, still we don't have signal or no Wi-Fi, so I can't upload videos till we get to a place where we can. But we just have to.
It's been sparse few in between on the Wi-Fi.
Just have to play it by ear till we find a place where we can upload videos. Better slow down. I'm speeding.
Yep.
Speed limit's 45 on this parkway.
Leadfoot, you. We've got lots of content that we're wanting to do with our adventures now that we're not working and able to go off and do stuff like this. So we appreciate everybody that's being patient with us and enjoying our adventures that we're doing, because we're going to be doing the Goldwing, the 300L. We're going to be doing some stuff, of course, too, with the camper and the Gladiator. So we're going to have a little bit of mixture of everything, but we want everybody to enjoy everything that we're doing because it's the things that we love to do, and we hope that you guys still follow along and enjoy it too.
Hope to encourage everybody to get out and do something themselves. It does me. I watch videos of people doing stuff, and I'm like, man, I want to go do that. Kind of gets you up and gets you motivated to go do something. Get out and enjoy nature.
Yep, out enjoying God's creation, what He's given us, You just don't know how much longer you might have or how things are going to go in this world. So, oh, turkey lurkey.
Some babies.
Oh, babies. Oh.
Hopefully you can see that on the video, but.
Baby turkeys. A bunch of babies.
Yep.
There's probably like 12 of them.
Yeah, there's a bunch of them. They're skedaddling into the weeds.
All right, Kayla, Scotty, and all of you guys, and Frank. When I said that I seen a bunch of turkeys the other day, because I didn't get a picture because we were on the bike, they said that's like catching a big fish and not having a picture. Well, sometimes I can't get a picture. Hope you guys got to see that. That was our proof.
Yeah, she saw some the other day. I never seen them. It's kind of harder to look when you're the one riding the driver and not run off the road, so she can see things that I don't get to.
Yeah, I seen like uh, 20, 25 turkeys within a span of about a half of a mile. It was crazy. There was a lot of them. I didn't see no babies. I just seen the big adults.
Mount Airy South.
318 for gas there. If you could have waited.
Hillsville.
And you just never know around with gas around here. It's
Yeah.
been anywhere from 309 to uh.
There's a deer.
Yep. Hi, baby.
It's like, get out of here. It's beautiful, and then in the second note, is it more beautiful than some of the rides we go in Arkansas, Missouri? I mean, somewhat, not necessarily that much, because the trees and stuff around here is a lot like what it is in the Ozarks anyway. And now the hills are bigger, but down there it's more hilly and curvier than this road, probably a lot of them. So it's not like a huge difference, not what we've seen yet anyway. But we wanted to make sure of our take it off our bucket list that we went to the Blue Ridge Parkway, and now we're finally getting to do it. Been a long time coming.
Get up. Oh, that's a cute little place. Do, do, do. Oh, 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 oh. Here we go. Oh, at the little fence and everything.
Pocket cabin.
Little. Can't get off.
Good place for Cricket to take a break. What are you trying to do?
Trying to open. Try not to spill my drink.
Cricket, you want to look at this cabin? He's like, why, yeah, of course I do. I want to go out there and pee on the grass. That's what I want to do.
Sassy grass.
He's like, this looks like a good place for a pee. Born in 1837, Aunt Orlena Hawks Puckett lived here during the latter of her 102 years. Wow. She was often heard to say the forest was green when I was born, and I'm green yet. A bride at 16, Miss Puckett and her husband first farmed below nearby Groundhog Mountain. Come on, come on. That'd be poison ivy on that tree.
One window in this whole house.
Well, the more windage you got, the colder it's going to be. So, less windows, the less cold can get in. For that old shake roof, it's getting pretty bad.
Mm-hmm.
Can't see anything in there?
Not much of anything. There's some like old logs and stuff laying right there next to the window.
Yeah, it's all dilapidated and fallen in there's what it looks like. Really can't see much. See the old fireplace, it's pretty cool.
Mm-hmm.
I have no idea why people would scratch their name
Turn
into it.
around
Kind
and
of
I'll
dumb.
get you and Cricket in the picture. Cricket! Never can get him to. Oh, that's a good pose. Hang on. Stay, stay. Cricket, sit.
Here, Cricket. Cricket, sit.
Hang on.
Sit.
Can you sit? Good boy. Ruff. That was a good boy. I got him. He sit. He deserves a treat for that. He's still learning on those manners. He every time you try to get him to sit or roll over, he wants the treat more than he does anything else.
Of course he does.
He tries to scratch you and paw you and everything else to get the food out of your hands. He don't want to sit and stuff. He's getting to where now, though, when he got to go potty. Oh, he's rolling in the grass. When he's got to go potty, he'll bark at you and let you know. Like even in the back of the karaoke while we're driving down the road, if he gets to barking too much, we know he's got to go potty. Sometimes when it's just us taking off, it's just because he's wanting to out to play sometimes. Then he calms down. A lot of times if it's hot, he don't like sitting still too long while we're hot.
He found a stick.
Oh no, are you gonna take it with you?
Come on,
Come on, Cricket.
come on, knucklehead.
He's got all kinds of names. Come on.
Okay, that's pretty cool. Anyway, we're gonna load up and head back down the road. Come here, Cricket. He's like, I don't want to go yet. I want to play some more. Don't you know I want to play?
Oh, we gotta give him a treat.
Give him a treat. He went potty.
He went pottied and he sat down. Here, Cricket. Pepperoni? Pepperoni?
He likes pepperoni.
Our grand dogs.
Don't know if he likes as much as Daxter.
Yeah, our grand dogs, Daxter and Sora, they love pepperoni. They hear you say pepperoni. They be watching this with Scotty and hear us say that. They'll be like, where? You ready to go bye-bye? Let's go. Let's go for a ride.
He got in there.
Guess I'll let you on first. That'd been perfect for us back in the day.
It's perfect for us now.
Yeah, and now. Yeah, perfect. Small, like we like it. That's awesome. Little log cabin.
I just wouldn't want it beside this road with all the traffic.
No, just bad location. Cute little place though.